Hey, I'm Urška, the girl behind the channel Slovenian Girl Abroad, on which I share my adventures as a Slovenian living in Switzerland. This video will be a little bit different from the others that you are used to. And that's because I want to thank you, every single 500 of you who subscribe to my channel. And I'm so happy that you follow my adventures. Thank you, thank you. As a thank you, I decided to share a little bit about me. And here are 10 facts about me. My name is Urška, which is Slovenian version of name Ursula. It derives from Latin and means she-bear. I'm originally from Maribor, Slovenia. This is second biggest city in Slovenia. But I have lived abroad for quite some time. Now I live in Lucerne, Switzerland, but before I lived in London and for a short time in Paris, France. I love traveling. And in the past I was so lucky to travel to 33 countries on all the continents except of Australia and Antarctica. It is hard to pick the favorite country I have ever visited, but I will have to say that Japan and Seychelles are my favorite. Japan because it is so unique. At one side it is incredibly traditional and has some of the most beautiful temples I have ever seen. And on the other side is this modern, cool, quirky country and this mixture and the history, even though how painful and hard it was, it's just, I mean, it's one of the few countries I would return in a bit. I love Seychelles because their beaches are out of this world. They are really dream islands. If you saw any of my videos, then you know that I'm a mom of a little boy, otherwise known as a little dinosaur. He's currently 20 months old and he's just the cutest little boy I have ever known. Let me tell you a secret. Before I moved to Switzerland, I hated hiking. It was nightmare. But when I moved to Switzerland, it grew to my heart. And now you can find me and my boys hiking some Swiss mountain during the weekends. I have two cats, Jiva and Lily. And this is Jiva. Lily is sleeping somewhere and I couldn't find her. We got them a couple of years ago. And we actually wanted to adopt just one cat. But when we went to see them, to the farm, I fell in love with this furry kitty. And my husband fell in love with Lily, and so we ended up with both. And I have to admit, this was best decision ever. Everybody has a guilty pleasure, and mine is Eurovision Song Contest. As cheesy as it is, as ridiculous the costumes are, I just love watching those 3 shows once per year. And do we have any Eurovision fans up there? Let me know in the comment, which is your favorite song ever? I still saved the tickets from my trips and travels, and I managed to fill all this box with the different tickets and memories, and it's just... Anyone else do this? Please let me know in the comments. I don't eat fresh tomatoes, but I like dried tomatoes and I like ketchup. I'm just a little bit weird. I am not a morning person. And these are 10 facts about me. I hope you enjoyed them. And I really hope you will stay with me and watch my future adventures. If you want to do so, then click that subscribe button. I have no